What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video of the Night Crew. Today we are going to be installing some 5th gen headlights into my truck. So without further ado, let's get into it. First thing you're going to do, you're going to want to pop this cover off. Should be six tabs. So after that, you're going to want to take your 10mm and take out these 4 bolts right here. One here, one here, here, and here. Alright, now that you got your grill off, there's 2 bolts holding in each screw on each side. You're just going to want to take those out. Next, you're going to come in here on your wheel well, pop this little tab out, and then inside of there's a tab, and you got to push up on it, and that releases the actual headlight. Just like that. That's the easy part. You just grab the headlight, pull it straight out, and then unclip all of your wiring harnesses. Alright, you just grab it like this. You pull this white piece out, push down, and it pops right out. And this one, you just twist it out. These are the headlights. They came with a HID kit. This is just a ballast. It just basically tells your computer that there's lights in here, because otherwise it'll say that all your headlights are out. So what you're going to do, everything's plug and play. Just grab this, plug it up like this. Be sure to push this white clip back in, because otherwise it will not clip in. And then you just take this right here. You're going to pop out your turn signal. Grab your little wire, put it straight in where your turn signal was. Just like this. And then it goes straight into this hole in the back over here. Just like whenever you took it out of the other one. And you just put it in, twist it, and it's in. Once you get all your wiring hooked up, you're just going to push it straight in. Should pop in. Once you got these in place, you're just going to go in the back, just like before, and pull the tab down to secure it in place, and then put these 2 screws in, and you're good. So we did check them before we actually put everything back together, but we wanted to save that for the finale. So if you made it this far in the video, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.